A lighted lamp represents faith in love. As we offer this lighted lamp, we ask you, Lord, to keep this lamp of faith burning in our hearts. Mirror. We see our exact image when we stand in front of the mirror. All of us are called to reflect God's love through our words and actions. As we offer this mirror, may we inspire others. We love of kindness, hero painmaker. Leader of sports, Ronia Lasso. Leader for cultural activities, Rizma Fernandez. Of our school, others before self, and thus keep the flag of our school flying high.
I'm really proud to tell you that I am the head girl of this school. I assure you all that I will do my duties properly along with my team, and you all may please cooperate with me in doing best for this school.
How long you have been in the head girl?
Since yesterday our installation of the batches took place, and we also celebrated the St. Thomas feast.
3 जुलै निमतान आमचो पेट्रन सेंट थॉमस हांचो दीस, आनी त्या निमतान आमी काल स्कुलाचो फिस्टूय सेलेब्रेट करतात. आनी आमचे कॅबिनेट मेंबर जे आसतात नवेचे, ते नव्या हातून आमचे इलेक्ट करतात. आनी 10थाची भुरगीं 10थाक पाविल्ल्यात आमी तांकां ते सॅश काडून ते दवरतात मदर मॅरीच्या पांया कडेन. आनी मागीर ती 9थांतली भुरग्यांक सिस्टर प्रिंसिपल आनी आमचे मॅनेजर सॅशीस घालतात नवे. मिनींग टू से की आमी आमच्या स्कुलाचे ड्युटी जे आमकां दितात, आमची प्रिंसिपल बा सिस्टरी जावं कोणूय टिचरी सुद्दां, ती नेमान आनी डिसिप्लिनान कांयच फुडें हांवें करनासतना सुद्दां सारके डिसिप्लीन दवरतात. आनी ते निमतान ही आपली प्रॉमीस पाळटायतूय ती, ही प्रॉमीस ती घेतात. आनी हो उत्सव मोठ्या दबाज्यान मनयलो जाता.